Discrimination, the inherence of discrimination cases present a very unique challenge from other areas in the law, which is probably why I like it so much. In other areas of law, like injury law and things of that nature, the determinant is negligence. But here in employment law, you can't discriminate negligently or by accident. You have to discriminate intentionally. So I have to balance that with the expectations of the client. There's a circumstantial method of proving these employment discrimination cases, and they're tough to do. The law has come out sometimes harshly against employees in recent times, and you have to be able to look at a factual pattern and show that, for example, race was a motivating factor using the Texas standard in the reason this person was not promoted over another person. Race cases present their own challenge because you're always the race you were before you started employment, and while you're getting promoted, it's the same, and it's sometimes difficult to prove that race was that motivating factor. But we dig deep. We analyze credentials. We analyze awards or accomplishments, so probably more so than awards, and things like that have affected the person that we're trying to help in a discrimination case. And the same standard, race might be a difficult example, but disability discrimination is sometimes the easier type of discrimination case to show, because that's a different demarcation. You have somebody who's working for a company in a role, progressing up the chain, and has a coronary, or unfortunately gets diagnosed with cancer. They're able to do the job, but all of a sudden you see opportunities diminish. That's something that's somewhat easier to prove than maybe other types of discrimination case. Age discrimination cases present their own challenges. You could see, I just filed a case just last week on almost a forced ranking type of system where somebody is performing well for 25, 30 years, and all of a sudden the performance ratings drop off substantially. Well, nobody works at a company 30 years by accident. They're a good employee. And you have to show that there are situations present that show age was a motivating factor in that decision.